This is Jim Empter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for May 24th, 2018. Corn down 3 to 4 after starting higher today. Beans down 1 to 3.5. Chicago wheat down 3/4 to 4 cents. Minneapolis down 5 to 7 1/4. Kansas City down 2 to 3.5. Well, I don't know how to sum up today other than funds trying to get out here in front of the long weekend. When you look to the overall tone, we had some great momentum going here to start the session today with corn market into new highs. We had soybean complex and wheat challenging the highs, even slightly exceeding those. Then all of a sudden we got to that midday session, midday model runs, a little more moisture around, and the market backed away and we reversed and show some ugly signs on the charts right now. So we'll have to watch that. Doesn't mean we need to capitulate, doesn't mean the highs are in for the year. Just kind of a warning flare of what can come here as we work through this Memorial Day to 4th of July time frame. A lot of highs tend to occur through this window here, and as we get more and more of those dates behind us, we're going to have to be more and more attentive to the opportunities that are present when we test and break into new highs, and also the risks of not doing marketing along the way. So important to have that discipline here. We're going to continue to wait. We'll see what tomorrow brings. The price counts, you know, we've got some open to the top side here, or at least could have had we gotten the closes, but where we settle now for the week is going to be very important. And then reminder, closed on Monday, back again on Tuesday. Feeder cattle on the day down 5 to 52.5. Live cattle down 30 to 105. Hog market up just 2.5 to 55 cents. We'll see what the cattle on feed report says tomorrow. That's going to be the dynamic for cattle. Hog market continues to chop within the same pattern. Wish we had some new news. A lot going on in the backdrop with trade negotiations on and off again with the summit for North Korea. Basically, it looks to be off again at this juncture. So a lot of political things happening behind the scenes and a lot of uncertainty over weather. If we come in here after Memorial Day and see big rains here around much of the nation, we can see funds begin to pull out of both the grain complex and cattle. If we see a drier undertone, we'll open up those price counts and get into new highs very quickly. So dynamics are here. Welcome to summer. Do your best and stick with the marketing plan. This has been Jim Empter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.